Exercise 6.2 now. Question number 1. Separate the like decimals. Now, what are like and unlike decimals? First of all, we'll discuss that and then we'll go with the questions. What are like decimals, Like decimals are those decimals in which after decimal the number of digits are equal. Suppose I have written here few numbers. I'm writing here few numbers like 24.056, then 28.089, then 245.555, then 345.268, like this. Okay, so if you notice, what do you notice in the given example? We notice here that after decimal we have 3 digits in all the places. Okay, after decimal we have 3 digits in all the places. Therefore, such decimals in which after decimal we have equal number of digits, such decimals in which we have equal digits after the decimal point are known as like decimals. Okay, similarly, what are unlike decimals? Unlike are those decimals in which after the decimal point digits are not equal. Unlike are those decimals in which after the decimal point digits are not equal. For example, you see 345.528, then 48.52, then 56.3855, another example 24.12045, like this. Now if you notice here, after decimal, keep in mind for like and unlike decimal, we see after the decimal point. We will see after the decimal point always. Okay, so here it is the decimal. Now after decimal you have 3 digits now, 1, 2 and 3. After decimal you have 2 digits here. Then after decimal you have 4 digits. After decimal 5 digits. If you see, all the given digits after decimal are not equal. Somewhere it is 2, somewhere it is 3, 4, 5 and so on. All such decimals are the example of unlike decimal. In like decimal, we have after decimal same number of digits, equal number it should be, and in unlike, whether there could be 2, 3, 4, etc. Got it clear? So if you see in your textbook also, like decimals definition is given here. Decimal number which have equal number of digit after the decimal point. See the example that 63 is here. After 63 you have 04, that is 2 digit. After decimal 95, also 2 digit. After decimal 26, also 2 digit. All the places after decimal 2 digits are there, na? Therefore it is the like fraction. Clear? Now what is unlike? Decimal number in which number of digits after the decimal point are not equal are called unlike decimals. And not equal means after decimal, you can see here, this is 2 digit, then 3 digit, then 1 digit. All such decimals are unlike decimals. Clear? Using this concept of like and unlike decimal, we have to separate the like decimals here. You see, in A, 7.21 is written, 14.6 is written, 28.04, 100.9. If you notice here, this is 7.21 and 28.04. So 7.21 and 28.04 can be like decimals. They can be like, na, because after decimal here there are 2 digit, here also after decimal are 2 digit. So what is the like decimal here? We can write like decimal. What is the answer for like decimal? 7.21 and 28.04. Got it? Then another, you see, 14.6 is here, then 100.9 is here. After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So 14.6 and 100.9 also they are like. So this is the first like decimal, and another like decimal will be 14.6 and 100.9. Like this we will separate the like decimals. Clear? Then if we see 1B, the question is, first First number is 19.04, then 13.75, 120.2, 79.8. I hope you all can separate this. What are the like decimal? Like decimal, after decimal equal number of digits. After decimal equal number of digits. So in 19.4, after decimal 2 digit, 13.75 after decimal 2 digit. So this will be the like decimal first of all. Like decimal 19.04 and 13.75. Clear na? What would be the another like decimal? Other like decimal you see 120.2, okay, and 79.8. Clear? Like this. Keep in mind, before decimal it could be anything. Don't get confused that before decimal here it is 3 and here it is 2, then why it is like fraction. Okay, na? Before decimal, no need to see. For seeing the like decimal, we need to see after the decimal how many number of digits are there. If in the number there are equal digits, then they are like, otherwise they are unlike. Then question number C, you can see 1.02, 2.348, 6.07, 21.186. So what is the first like decimal we can say? After point we have 2 digit here. After point we have 2 digit here. So 2 digits, they can be like, and here after point 3 and after point 3. So 3 digit will be like. So we can write like this. First one 1.02 and 6.07. And another like decimal will be 2.348 and 21.186. Like this you can see. Okay. So like decimal 1.02 and 6.07. After decimal both the places 2 digits, and here after decimal both the places 3 digits. So A, B and C I have done. D, E and F, solve it on your own.